You want to add this, and even this to your videos? Wait, I've got you. Let me show you exactly how to add sound effects like a pro. Now open InShot and import your video. Tap on audio and go to effects. You'll see a whole bunch of fun sound effects for different things. You can even favorite the ones you like for quick access. Like see, these are some of my favorite effects. First, pick the part of the video where you want to add the sound. Then choose the sound that fits properly. Like here I'm picking the pling one. You can drag and place the sound exactly where you want it. For example, where the video is switching or you're opening something. You can even put the sound effect wherever you're adding some new text to the video. And just like that, your video is now leveled up with some beautiful sound effects. If you need more sound effects, head over to pixabay.com. Just search, download the one you like and import it into InShot to use it to your videos. I hope this helps. Follow me for more.